I will show you another example of calculating your own formulas and metrics on Google Looker Studio. And for this, I will answer this question: how often do we publish content on social media? And this is important because if you want to measure your success on social media, you want to use this funnel. By the way, if you want to learn how to measure your social media success, we have a specific tutorial for this, but I will give you a snapshot for this exercise. For measuring your social media success, you want to be more visible, which means having more reach and impressions. You want more engagement, which means you have more likes, shares, and comments on your content, and you want more conversions from your social media efforts. But there is a fourth element that is not displayed in the funnel, which is productivity. The more you publish on social media, the more likely you are to get more results. If you don't believe me, go to LinkedIn and publish every day and you will see results. And if you go to TikTok, publish twice a day and you will see results. The more often you publish, it matters. Quantity matters as much as quality, but this is a personal opinion on this. Anyways, I will show you how to count if you are productive on social media. So I will go to my Google Looker Studio report, I will go to resource, manage add data sources, and I will add a data source, and I will add my Instagram page, but you can do it with whatever, with Facebook, TikTok, or whatever you want. I will go with Instagram Insights, and I will add my Instagram account, this account, and I will click on add. This is something you already know. You already know how to connect your data. If not, you can go back to our lesson on connecting data to Google Looker Studio. For this exercise, I won't use the dimension account name. I will use a dimension that is called post date. And this post date shows me the date when I posted a specific post on social media. That's redundant. Sorry for that. And for metric, I don't have a metric that is called post count. Not always. Maybe our connectors have it because we created it, but not always you will have a metric that shows the post count or number of posts that you have done. So I will need to create it. If I make my dimension post caption, and post caption is the copy of my post, and I make it a metric by dropping it as a metric there, by default, Google Looker Studio will create a function that is called count distinct, and I will show you that. But first, I will transform this table into a time series because I want to see over time how many times I am publishing on social media. Now, I see different post captions every day. I have a post caption on October 7, a post caption on October 18, and so on. This is showing me different post captions because every copy is unique. So here I am seeing every time I am publishing on social media. And if I click on edit the metric on that pencil in the blue icon, you will see that the aggregation of dimension is that I can count the values of my dimensions. I can count or count distinct. So Google Looker Studio by default is counting the distinct captions or copies I have for my posts. What I'm saying is I am counting my posts on social media. So over time, I am seeing how many posts I am doing. And now I will duplicate this chart. And instead of a time series, I will do it with a scorecard. And now I can see that during this period, I have posted 5 times on Instagram. And this is how you can calculate how often you are publishing content on social media with Google Looker Studio.